Are you ready to unlock your feminine power and embrace your true self? The world of MTF Feminization Hypnosis awaits, offering a unique and powerful approach to personal transformation. As society becomes more aware and accepting of diverse gender identities, the popularity of this alternative method has soared, captivating individuals who are seeking to tap into their feminine energy. So what exactly is MTF Feminization Hypnosis? At its core, it is a form of hypnosis specifically designed for male-to-female transgender individuals or those exploring their feminine side. Through the use of carefully crafted suggestions and imagery, this practice aims to help listeners connect with their inner femininity on a subconscious level. By engaging in regular sessions or using specially created audio recordings like the free Feel More Feminine Hypno Audio MP3 available today, individuals can potentially experience an enhanced sense of self as they align more fully with their desired gender expression. But why has MTF feminization hypnosis gained such momentum in recent years? The answer lies in our evolving understanding of gender identity and the broader acceptance of non-traditional paths towards personal growth. As societal norms shift, more people are exploring alternative methods beyond traditional therapy or medical interventions to explore and express their authentic selves. And MTF feminization hypnosis provides a safe space for self-discovery by addressing both conscious and unconscious levels of being. If you're curious about how tapping into your feminine energy through hypnotic means can lead to powerful transformations in your life, then keep watching. In this video, we will delve deeper into the world of MTF feminization hypnosis, from what it entails to how it can potentially benefit you on your journey towards embracing your true self. Get ready to open your mind, because the possibilities that await may just change everything you thought you knew about yourself. Hypnotherapy, also known as hypnosis, is a therapeutic technique that uses guided relaxation and focused attention to help individuals achieve a state of heightened suggestibility. Contrary to common misconceptions, it is not mind control or manipulation. Instead, hypnotherapy works by accessing the subconscious mind in order to bring about positive changes in thoughts, behaviors, and emotions. One misconception surrounding hypnosis is that people under hypnosis lose control over their actions. In reality, individuals remain fully aware of their surroundings and maintain their ability to make choices. The hypnotic state simply allows them to bypass their conscious barriers and tap into the deeper levels of the mind where change can occur more easily. Another misconception is that only certain people can be hypnotized. However, the truth is that almost everyone can experience some level of hypnotic trance. It's a natural state of consciousness that we all enter multiple times throughout our lives when we become deeply absorbed in a book or movie or daydreaming while driving. By shedding light on these misunderstandings about hypnotherapy, it becomes clear how powerful this modality can be for personal growth and transformation. By harnessing the power of suggestion and tapping into our inner resources through this relaxed state of awareness, individuals have the potential to overcome limiting beliefs and habits for lasting change. MTF feminization hypnosis offers a unique opportunity for individuals to explore and embrace their true selves. By tapping into the power of the subconscious mind, this form of hypnosis can facilitate self-acceptance and expression in remarkable ways. For transgender individuals, it can be transformative in reducing gender dysphoria and helping them align their inner identity with their outward appearance. One of the key benefits of MTF feminization hypnosis is its ability to provide a safe space for exploration and self-discovery. Many people find that traditional therapy or counseling alone may not fully address their needs when it comes to understanding and expressing their feminine side. Through this hypnotic process, individuals have an opportunity to deeply connect with themselves on a subconscious level, allowing them to uncover hidden desires, emotions, and aspects of femininity that they may have long suppressed or ignored. Moreover, by using techniques such as visualization and suggestion during MTF feminization hypnosis sessions, individuals can begin reshaping their perceptions about themselves and embracing new thoughts patterns that align with their desired feminine identity. This can greatly reduce internal conflicts caused by gender dysphoria and improve overall well-being. It empowers individuals to feel more comfortable in their own skin while boosting self-confidence. In conclusion, MTF feminization hypnosis has numerous benefits for those seeking personal transformation along the journey towards embracing their true feminine selves. By providing a platform for self-exploration, reducing gender dysphoria through subconscious reprogramming, and improving overall well-being through enhanced self-acceptance. This innovative practice offers hope for transgender individuals looking to fully express themselves authentically. The Feel More Feminine Hypno Audio MP3 is a powerful tool designed to help individuals explore and embrace their feminine energy through the use of hypnotic techniques. This free audio resource offers listeners a guided journey towards unlocking their true femininity, allowing them to tap into aspects of themselves that may have been hidden or suppressed. The purpose of the Feel More Feminine Hypno Audio is to provide individuals with a safe space where they can connect with their inner femininity and experience a profound sense of empowerment. Through carefully crafted suggestions and imagery, the audio aims to reframe perceptions around gender identity, allowing listeners to fully embody the qualities traditionally associated with femininity. This transformative hypnosis session delves deep into subconscious programming, gently rewiring any limiting beliefs or societal conditioning that may hinder one's ability to express their authentic self. By engaging in this hypnosis experience regularly, individuals can begin unraveling layers of societal expectations and norms, embracing their unique feminine essence with confidence and clarity. Through its soothing narration fused with melodic background music specifically chosen for relaxation purposes, the Feel More Feminine Hypno Audio invites listeners on an introspective journey towards self-discovery. Whether you identify as transgender or simply wish to explore your own feminine side more deeply, this audio offers a supportive avenue for personal exploration and growth. MTF Feminization Hypnosis works by utilizing the power of suggestion to tap into and unlock your feminine energy. The free Feel More Feminine Hypno Audio MP3 contains a series of carefully crafted suggestions that are designed to help listeners embrace and embody their true femininity. During the hypnosis session, you will be guided into a deeply relaxed state, allowing your conscious mind to become more receptive to positive affirmations and messages. These affirmations are specifically tailored to encourage the development of feminine traits, behaviors, and mindset. The audio includes powerful suggestions that can help you enhance your confidence, self-esteem, and overall sense of femininity. It may also address any negative beliefs or thoughts that may be blocking your ability to fully express yourself as a woman. With regular use over time, many listeners report experiencing significant shifts in their mindset and behavior. They may begin adopting more feminine gestures, mannerisms, speech patterns, and even thinking processes. Individuals often find themselves feeling more comfortable in their own skin and embracing their authentic selves with greater ease. It is important to note that results may vary for each individual since everyone responds differently to hypnotic suggestions. However, many people have found MTF Feminization Hypnosis beneficial in supporting them on their journey towards aligning with their true gender identity. To fully benefit from the MTF Feminization Hypnosis MP3, it is important to create a conducive environment for your listening sessions. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you can relax without distractions. Clearing away any clutter or external noise will help you focus on the hypnotic suggestions and immerse yourself in the experience. Incorporating self-care practices alongside your hypnotherapy sessions can also enhance the overall transformative process. Take some time before each session to engage in activities that promote relaxation and self-love. This could include taking a warm bath, practicing deep breathing exercises, or engaging in gentle stretching or yoga. By nurturing yourself physically and emotionally, you are creating space for deeper personal exploration during the audio. Remember that everyone's journey is unique, so feel free to adjust these tips according to your own needs and preferences. The key is to establish an environment that allows you to fully connect with your feminine energy while ensuring your well-being throughout this transformative experience. Many individuals have reported positive experiences and personal transformation through the use of MTF Feminization Hypnosis audios. These success stories not only provide reassurance to those considering exploring this method but also offer valuable insights into the potential benefits. One individual, let's call her Sarah, shared her testimonial about using the Feel More Feminine Hypno Audio MP3. She described feeling a deep sense of relaxation and a heightened connection with her feminine energy during each listening session. Sarah explained that over time, she started noticing subtle shifts in how she carried herself, interacted with others, and even how she viewed herself in the mirror. The audio became a powerful tool for reconnecting with her inner femininity and embracing it fully. Another person named Alex revealed their journey from struggling to accept their gender identity to experiencing incredible empowerment through MTF Feminization Hypnosis. Alex stated that they initially began using such audios out of curiosity but soon discovered its potential for personal growth. They found themselves embodying more confidence, self-acceptance, and authenticity as they tapped into their true feminine essence. These testimonials illustrate how specific hypnotic tools like Feel More Feminine Hypno Audio can contribute to an individual's journey towards self-discovery and embracing their true identity. Each story emphasizes that MTF Feminization Hypnosis has provided profound support in connecting individuals with their genuine selves by helping them tap into their innate feminine power. The power of femininity is both captivating and empowering. For individuals who are seeking to explore and embrace their feminine energy, MTF Feminization Hypnosis can be a transformative tool. By tapping into the subconscious mind through hypnotic techniques, this form of self-exploration allows individuals to connect with their innate femininity in a profound way. MTF Feminization Hypnosis works by guiding listeners into a relaxed state where they become more open to suggestions that align with their desire to feel more feminine. Through carefully crafted affirmations, visualizations, and sensory experiences, the audio helps listeners tap into the essence of what it means to embody femininity. Whether it's adopting more graceful movements, embracing a softer voice tone, or even exploring gender expression through clothing choices and makeup techniques, all these aspects come together harmoniously during the hypnotic experience. The free MP3 titled Feel More Feminine Hypno Audio offers an accessible entry point for those interested in embarking on this journey of self-discovery. It acts as a guide, providing support along the way as listeners navigate their personal exploration of feminine power. This powerful resource unlocks inner potential and encourages individuals to fully express themselves authentically, all while celebrating the diversity and complexity inherent within us all. Feel More Feminine Hypno Audio provides an opportunity for individuals to step into their true selves by tapping into their unique feminine energy. Through MTF Feminization Hypnosis techniques presented in this audio program, listeners have access to powerful tools that can help them embrace their authentic selves on every level, physically, emotionally, and mentally. As you embark on your personal journey towards self-expression and growth, remember that there is strength in vulnerability. Embracing your full range of emotions allows you to tap into the unlimited power that lies within you. So, let this journey be your bridge to self-discovery and personal transformation, as you unlock the beauty of your feminine power and embrace the incredible person you are meant to be.